Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and use the Netflix application on PC. So here I have actually downloaded the Netflix apps on my computer, but first I'm going to show you how you can get it. So I download the Netflix apps on the Microsoft Store. If you are also using the Windows operation system on your laptop or computer, you can just go to the Microsoft Store, and then here on this store you can just search for a Netflix app. You can explore it in here, or you can just click on the search bar and search for Netflix. So when you find the Netflix app, you can just install it on your computer in the Microsoft Store, and after that it will be installed on your computer. Now to use it, you can just open the Netflix application. And then if you have more than one profile, you can choose the and just start using it. So in here on the Netflix application, you can watch for your favorite movies or shows using your computer.